we got another box from New Provisions Racing, and something a little different outside of all the power mods is an aesthetic mod. Yeah, so we got something from Seibon. This came in super fast shipping. Actually, really surprised that it came in today. I didn't even check the tracking on it. Just expected it to come in sometime next week. But anyway, today we are going to install the Seibon carbon fiber front grille for the 2015 to 2017 WRX. Really wasn't planning on buying this, but then I just came across some pictures online, thought it looked pretty good, and went ahead and pulled the trigger. Nick helped me out getting this to the house, so thanks Nick again. We're going to go ahead and put this on. This probably is not going to be a super in-depth tutorial of how to remove your front bumper. It's a bunch of videos out there, and right now we've got the stock grill. So this is the USDM. A lot of guys are running the JDM grills for the 2015 plus to 17s. But yeah, I wanted to give this a shot, and you know, just first impressions unboxing it. It's super lightweight. It's carbon fiber, so yeah, it feels really good. Feels pretty sturdy, and I didn't actually notice that the mesh grill was in here until getting it to the house. So that's pretty cool, because I was a little bit concerned about some bigger rocks coming in through the grill and then possibly hitting the radiator maybe or whatever, but I don't really feel too concerned since it's got this mesh grill on here. That's a little bit of protection, not a lot. And right here we got some badges coming in. Right now we're just gonna install it like this, see how it looks. But yeah, I'm excited. Maybe I missed it when ripping open the box, but I didn't see any screws that come with the Seibon. However, they do have threads in the holes for the bolts, so make sure not to use the OEM screws that came out. Those are more like wood screws that are self-tapping. I had to go get these 4mm by 12 and then 4mm by 10. So I'm going to have to use these. These are the smaller thread. And like I said, maybe I missed them in the box, but I couldn't find the screws that came with the grill, so I'm using these. Make sure you don't use the original screws and screw up your threads. Get these. Oh my gosh, that's much better than self-tapping. To set off the Seibon carbon fiber grill now, we've got the Subaru logos. That's probably a fake carbon, but these things get beat up a lot, so just went ahead and got these. It's all blacked out, and then the rear to match. So yeah, pretty cool. Got some other things coming as far as aesthetics, so be on the lookout for those videos.